Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add the in Outlook as superscript. You know, like when you write 21st or 4th and want it to look clean and professional, whether you're formatting business emails, event invites, or reports. This quick guide will help you do it perfectly in just a few clicks. Let's get right into it. First things first, sign into your Outlook account. Head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one for free. Once you're in, you'll land on your Outlook Mail homepage, click on the New Message button to open a fresh email window. This is where the magic happens. Now, type your message as usual. When you get to something like November 12th, highlight the letters TH that you want to make superscript. Look at the formatting toolbar right above your message. You'll see an icon that looks like X squared. Click on it and boom, your selected text instantly becomes superscript. It's smaller, slightly raised, and gives your email that polished professional look. Once you're done, take a quick moment to review your email. Check that everything looks clean and that your superscripts are consistent throughout. This little detail goes a long way in making your message stand out with clarity and style. If you find yourself using superscripts often, create a quick cheat sheet or memorize Outlook's keyboard shortcut. It'll save you tons of time in the long run. And that's it. You just learned how to add this in Outlook like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below, letting me know what Outlook tip you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.